Hi, I'm the guy next door, and if I can cook, you surely can cook too. Now today I'm going to show you a new recipe called fried leeks with prawns. First, we brown some ginger in a hot pan. Then we drizzle in some cooking oil. Now, we put in the chopped garlics, the quartered onions, and the sliced carrots. Next, we put in the shelled prawns and the butter mushrooms. Now, the star of the show, the leeks. Put it in. Sprinkle some salt in and stir fry. Oyster sauce and grounded white pepper are next. Next, a tablespoon of corn flour in drinking water and spill it in. That is to thicken the gravy. Don't forget your half a cube of chicken stock. Cover the dish to simmer it for 10 seconds. Okay, it's done. Let us try this recipe. Look at the leeks. This dish has a very nice pungent flavor, especially when the leeks are fried together with the prawns. You should try this at home. Bye! If you like my recipe, give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.